Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the trick to unlock the grilled squid with starfruit jam faster. So, in this Call of Whales event, you can unlock many special foods like this, and one of them is this grilled squid with starfruit jam. And maybe sometimes some player have a trouble when want to unlock this food or this recipe, but in here I will show you the easy trick to unlock this recipe. First, you just need this tidal stove, this one. You can craft it by yourself, and if you don't know how to craft it yet, you can just check my tutorial in my how to build playlist. And then after you have this tidal stove, just tap on it, and then in here just choose the grilled squid with fruit jam recipe, the original recipe like this. You can get this recipe from NPC Massimo. If I'm not mistaken, you can get it after you complete the quest from him. And then in here you just need the Japanese flying squid, and then seagrapes and wakame that you can collect from the Whalefall Canyon map. And for this squid, you can fish it at the Whale Sea, or you can also fish it more easily when you join the Call of Whales fishing events. And then in here for the main step, you need to replace this fruit jam ingredients with this starfruit jam like this. And then in here, just keep in mind, if you want to unlock this recipe or if you want to successfully cook this recipe, you need to use the real ingredient on here. So in here, if you run out of this real ingredient, don't replace it with the universal ingredients. You need the real squid and then sea grapes and wakame. So make sure you collect all the ingredients first, and then after you collect all the ingredients, and then just simply tap on start cooking. Like this, and just like that you will successfully cook this grilled squid with starfruit jam. So just keep in mind, you must use the real ingredients. Don't use the universal ingredients when you cook it for the first time. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.